Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. So I thought I would do a series on using the Thinkorswim mobile app. I'm very confident and comfortable using this app, so I thought I would maybe try and help out some other people because a lot of the complaints about this app is how hard it is to use, both the desktop and the mobile platform. And in today's video, I thought I would show how to place trades, and just we're going to start off real simple, just with stock trades. So I already have a stock pulled up. We have the SPY pulled up, and to basically orders, you can just click on buy and sell right here, and that will bring up the order entry page. And I also want to explain that I am using the BlueStacks app, which is basically an emulator for Android. So your screen may look a little bit different than this. I know it looks a little different than my Google Pixel 7 that I use, but for the most part, everything is there. But anyway, once you get into the order entry here, you can choose what type of order you want to place, whether it's a market or a limit. You can also do your stop limits and your trail stops. All that is in here. You can choose if you want to enforce this just for today or good till canceled or closed. You can change the shares, the amount of shares, as well as the price where you enter. You can also go down to more at the bottom here, and we can do create advanced order. And this is where you would actually set up your one cancels the other types of orders, and you would kind of do all that in here. I have done this in the past. It's been a while since I've used the advanced order group on the mobile platform, but it is there. But anyway, once you place your trade, you just go over to review, and it'll ask you a few things, and you just go down and just hit send. So hopefully this short brief video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye.